So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, then type HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 E. Okay, operating system update. This is your printer. Scroll down and you can see this is basic driver and and click to download. Same. So do not install this one because HP easy start. This is software. So printers driver installed by this software. So we have to download the official driver. Okay. So extract. This is basic and full driver. Extract this. Just single click to download. It will automatically start like that. Now this is ready to downloading. So guys, then it is completed. Just single click to open. Now this is extracting. Then click to yes. No. Then continue. So we can see the three type to install. Wireless wire, okay, which is your printer is connected. So select then and click to next. Okay.